Today we are taking a look at an invasive pest making its way west. Experts expect it to reach Missouri either this year or next. Hi, I'm Marcia Schultz, a University of Missouri Extension Master Gardener. What are we looking for? It's the spotted lanternfly. What is it? Though it's a striking insect, the spotted lanternfly is a serious threat.
Like other plant hoppers, it's part of the order Hemiptera with relatives of cicadas, aphids, and it's a close cousin of the true bugs. The scientific name is Lycorma delicatula, and you'll often see the name shortened to the acronym SLF.
Native to Southeast Asia, SLF likely arrived on cargo shipments around 2012. It was first detected in Pennsylvania and is now firmly established across much of the eastern U.S.
Why is it a problem? Spotted lanternfly are invasive, and with their piercing, sucking mouthparts, they take the sap, damaging grapes, fruit trees, hardwoods, and ornamentals. Left behind is a sticky substance called honeydew, which encourages the growth of sooty mold, a fungus that blackens the leaves and blocks sunlight that plants need for photosynthesis.
In newly infested areas, SLF has few natural predators. However, recent reports from the eastern U.S. suggest that birds, spiders, and insect predators are beginning to take notice. They've not been reported yet here in Missouri, nor have they been found in many of the middle of America, Midwest states, but they are firmly entrenched in the eastern states and actually have been reported on the eastern edge of the Midwest. What can we do? Well, since they haven't been found yet here in the middle of the U.S. or Canada, experts are asking us to stay alert and report findings. In the eastern states, reporting may no longer be requested, and killing the pests is highly encouraged. I mentioned that the spotted lanternfly is cousin to the true bugs. They are in the order Hemiptera and undergo simple metamorphosis with 3 life stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Insects typically favor one plant to lay their eggs, and the spotted lanternfly is no different. Their favorite host plant is the tree of heaven. The tree of heaven, despite its lovely name, is a fast-growing, foul-smelling tree that is an ecological problem in its own right. That said, if a tree of heaven is not close by, the SLF will use grapes, maples, apple trees, poplar, walnut, and willow. No wonder this pest spread so quickly. They're not too picky.
Spotted lanternfly egg masses are typically 1 inch long and 3/4 of an inch wide. They appear as grayish, mud-like smears with a putty-like texture. Over time, this covering may crack and fade, revealing the neatly arranged rows of eggs beneath, while similar-looking smears can occur from mud spatter or animal activity.
SLF egg masses tend to have a more distinct shape and texture.
The hatchlings are black with white spots. As they grow, they add bright red patches by the 4th instar or molting phase. Adults are truly eye-catching. Their forewings are gray with black spots, while their hind wings flash vivid red with black spots and white stripes, all framed with black wingtips.
So what do you do if you find one, or more likely many? Well, first of all, the Missouri Department of Agriculture has a really good PDF of lookalikes that you can download and refer to. Make a record of your finding. Take pictures, record the location site, the date, the time, and they are asking us to capture the insects. Now, spotted lanternflies don't sting or bite, so you actually can handle them or capture them in any little cup or bag. I have included reporting websites for several states and Canada in the Show More section or description section below. If you don't find your location, just Google the Department of Agriculture spotted lanternfly and you will see what the reporting requirements are for your state. I hope our video provided you with several photos so that you can identify the various life stages of the spotted lanternfly along with its egg masses, helping us to protect Missouri landscapes and crops. Stay alert. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being part of the solution and supporting our videos. Give us a like, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next videos. We'd love it if you drop us a comment, and until next time, see you in the garden.